Right, members' reports, 5.12. If we could forward those through to Shani, very good. Thank you very much. Has anyone got any verbal reports? Councillor Park?
Just a quick heads up, it still has to be received by the next Emergency Management Committee, but at the Waikato Emergency Management Joint Committee meeting yesterday, we adopted a policy which Lynn Omni will need to get into around civil defence vehicles with a red siren. Will those persons who are authorised to drive them and have had a prescribed driving course and have the permission of the controller will be enabled to exceed the legal speed limit by 20 kilometres in getting to an incident or responding to. So that still will come through the emergency management, but it's just something that I thought was quite topical. And also added into that via the chair and the deputy was that if there were to be some sort of incident and getting to an incident, that that not only will it be become a police matter, but that then be reviewed by the controller, a member of the police, and whichever TA's relevant people and capability manager or health and safety officer. So that'll come through in due course, but just something that affects all the TAs in the Waikato region as of yesterday.
Good. Thank you.
And notice to me you can't have a red light.
It's got to be a fitted out emergency responding vehicle. You can't do it for the sake of wanting to get something faster.
Yeah. All right. Thank you, Anna, for that. Any other verbal members' reports? Okay. Move please that we'll receive the reports. Moved by Councillor Rankin, seconded by Councillor Ackland. Thank you. All those in favour, please say aye. Aye. Against? Carried. Okay.